Welcome back to the third installment of ebm-papst RPM FanScout tutorial, where we are choosing a fan based on the calculations of its lifetime costs. To begin your life cycle cost analysis, right-click each fan and select Add Fan to LCC. Now head over to the Fan LCC tab. This tab displays the energy and service costs of the fan, operating costs, as well as the product costs, capital investment. Then we can compare them over the lifetime of the unit. First, we can adjust the service life and energy costs for our specific unit. We'll use 15 years and 10 cents per kilowatt hour. But we're in euros, so we'll just go to Options and Units and change that to US dollars. Next, we'll change the number of fans per unit to 8. Now we're looking good. Perhaps these aren't the only fans you're comparing though. You can add in a custom fan option as well. We'll rename the fan to something a little bit more descriptive. How about competitor? Then we'll double-click the fan type to change it to AC with voltage control, a transformer, or AC with frequency control, a VFD. We'll adjust the number of fans as well as the energy consumption at the max operating point, let's say 3.3 kilowatts. We can also adjust the number of hours the fan spends at any given speed and the speeds themselves over here on the right. Just type in whatever values make the most sense or go ahead and use the default numbers. Great, we've now gotten all of our energy costs calculated. You'll note the EC fans are winning in terms of efficiency, but of course we haven't gotten to the cost of the fan itself yet. So now we'll type in the cost of each fan. Let's say $1,500, $1,300, and $1,000 respectively. Then we'll do the controller. For EC fans, just a simple 0 to 10 volt DC control is required, so it will only be a $50 sensor for the unit. For the AC fan though, we also need a VFD, so that will be $550. Then we'll do the installation costs. Since EC fans require less setup and no shielded cables or EMC filters, their installation is much faster and cheaper. Excellent, now step 2 is complete. We'll move on to the service costs, but we'll assume that everything runs with the same reliability. After this, we can see the full lifetime costs of each solution, as well as how much money the end user can save. We want to show the end user this as well, so we'll print it out as a PDF. Just like our fan comparison PDF, this shows all the data we just had in the program. At the bottom, you have a quick graphical representation of the return on investment time. Less than 2 years in our example. Congratulations, you're now ready to show the lifetime set costs of various fan options. Join us for the next installment of ebm-papst RPM FanScout tutorial to see how to conduct a fan grid search for an array of fans with just a couple clicks.